How to share question responses on Instagram story. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Instagram. Look for any updates that may be available for Instagram. After this is done, then go back to your homepage. From your homepage, open the Instagram app on your device. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now at the top left corner, you will see your story. Click on it. As you can see here, I had posted a question on my story. To see your replies, simply swipe up. Here you will see all the responses. If you want to share this response, simply tap on it. Now at the bottom, you will see three options: delete response or share response. Click on share response. Now you can either make a video about this response or take a video and answer it through text. You can also drag the question around your screen. At the top right corner, you will see different kind of icons. You can add music, stickers or text to your response. So that's all for today. Thank you.